Okay, I wanted to do a little video here of this trailer, TARASPORT 2005 custom step deck. Got a light test going on it so you can see all the lights are working. No air leaks, got air to the trailer. It's airing up right now. It's got a brand new 5-way on there, and these extensions pull out, and this upper deck raises, but I never use it. The battery's dead on the trailer, and when I swapped tractors, I never put a charger. See, this is the charging port for the battery on the trailer, and this truck just doesn't happen to have an extra port to charge it, so I never did. So the battery's dead on it, so I can't show you how it raises and lowers. So, and has a tendency to get a little sand up in there, and so those can get difficult to pull out as well, so be aware of that. But here's the trailer, landing gears down right now, and see we have one ratchet on the rail on the upper deck and one on the other side as well. Have ramps that go all the way across from the upper deck, from the lower deck to the upper deck, and they're built in, spring loaded. Have 3 toolboxes on this side. The airway, it came with it when I bought the trailer. It's never worked, so I just haven't needed to use it. It's a spread axle, 20,000 pound each axle, and I don't think that the air gauges work either. But got these 12,000 pound per axle aluminum ramps, and they stow right underneath the back right here. They slide right in, stow away nicely there. So, and then I'm a little tied up against the fence over here, but you see there's a ratchet strap. There's tons of ratchets on this thing. So axles on this side, another 2 toolboxes on this side. Also in this box is a manual valve to dump the air for the suspension on here. So, and then this is a bulkhead that or load leveler that fits into the pockets across the deck, and or you can use it as a bulkhead up front, and it stows. Also on this you can see there's 2 extensions here, and they actually fit right in the end of where these ramps go. So if you wanted to use the hydraulic upper deck, you can put those extensions on. You could fit a pickup on top there, and you can lift it. That way you can tuck another car underneath. So pretty nice trailer. It's done a good job. It is fairly heavy. It is all steel. So anyhow, that's about all I can tell you about it.